Welcome to the Bike Buzzin' channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Harley-Davidson Fatboy 114, a bike that continues to blend classic Harley style with modern performance. The Fatboy has always been a symbol of boldness and power, and the 2025 model is no exception. Let's dive into what makes this bike stand out on the road. Engine performance power meets precision. At the heart of the 2025 Fatboy 114 is the Milwaukee 8114V twin engine. This 114 cubic inch powerhouse delivers 119 lb-ft of torque, ensuring you get that unmistakable Harley rumble and a ton of low-end grunt. Whether you're cruising down the highway or hitting the throttle for some acceleration, the performance is smooth, powerful, and responsive. With a 6-speed transmission and the signature Harley-Davidson ride, the Fatboy 114 offers an unforgettable experience behind the handlebars. Design aesthetics of bold presence. The Fatboy 114's design remains iconic yet updated for 2025. With its massive 240mm rear tire, wide front fork, and unique solid disc wheels, this bike radiates strength. The body is muscular, with an aggressive stance and a sculpted frame that demands attention. The satin chrome finishes on key components add a refined touch while still embracing that raw, rugged Harley vibe. This bike isn't just made to ride, it's made to turn heads. Comfort rideability built for the open road. When it comes to comfort, the 2025 Fatboy 114 doesn't disappoint. The large, contoured seat ensures a comfortable ride even on longer trips, and the low-slung design allows for a relaxed riding position. The updated suspension system, which includes a beefy front fork and rear shocks, helps smooth out the bumps, making for a more controlled and stable ride. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on open highways, the Fatboy 114 makes every journey enjoyable. Technology features modern touches. While the Fatboy 114 holds onto its classic charm, Harley-Davidson has integrated modern tech to enhance the ride. The new model comes with a full-color digital display, providing key information at a glance including speed, gear position, and fuel economy. The bike also features Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to pair your phone for hands-free calls and music. The addition of advanced rider safety systems like ABS and traction control ensures that you're always in control, no matter the conditions. Conclusion: the ultimate cruiser. To sum it up, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Fatboy 114 is everything you love about Harley's iconic cruisers, but with a fresh, modern twist. From its raw power and aggressive looks to its refined tech and comfortable ride, this bike delivers on all fronts. Whether you're a seasoned Harley rider or new to the brand, the Fatboy 114 promises to be a thrilling experience on two wheels. So, what do you think of the 2025 Fatboy? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and news. Thanks for watching. Until next time, ride safe and keep the rubber side down.